Good day and welcome to the Providence Television International News on the hour. I am Ugbebo Ikekwa. The Nigerian Communications Commission, the country's telecommunication regulator, has scheduled a stakeholders meeting in Abuja for today, Thursday, the 9th of January 2025, to discuss the proposed 100% tariff hike in the telecom sector. The meeting will bring together representatives from major consumer advocacy groups and other relevant industry stakeholders to deliberate on the implications of the price increase. The telecom operators in Nigeria disclosed that the hike is necessary to offset rising operational costs. However, the proposal has sparked concern among consumer rights groups, which insist that the proposed hike will further strain Nigeria's already financially burdened population. The Federal Capital Territory Police Command has intercepted a white Peugeot 15-seater bus transporting 59 children aged between 4 and 12 years for trafficking. The FCT Commissioner of Police, Tunji Disu, stated that the children who hail from different families in Kano State were being transported to Nasarawa State under the guise of receiving training. The commissioner further disclosed that the children are presently in police custody, noting that the incident has been classified as a case of suspected child abuse and trafficking due to the absence of proper documentation or parental consent for the movement of the minors. The China Development Bank has announced the approval of a $254.7 million loan to support the Kano-Kaduna railway project in Nigeria. The announcement was made on Tuesday as the railway, a standard gauge line stretching 203 kilometers, will link Kano to the nation's capital, Abuja. Once operational, it will provide residents with a safer and more efficient mode of transport, improving regional connectivity. The project is also expected to spur economic growth by fostering the development of industries along its corridors. The Independent Corrupt Practices and Other Related Offences Commission has urged the Nigerian Natural Medicines Development Agency to address the proliferation of unregulated herbal drinks in the country. The ICPC Resident Commissioner for Lagos State, Mr. Kabir Elelu, who made the call at a one-day training session online, expressed concern over the unchecked sale of herbal mixtures, commonly referred to as alagbo, noting that the consumption of such substances posed severe health risks. The Delta State Police Command has arrested a lady self-kidnapper together with her accomplice in their hideouts in a community in the state. The State Police Public Relations Officer, Bright Edafi, explained in a signed statement in Warrior on Wednesday that Ms. Joy Okole had faked her kidnap in connivance with her boyfriend in a bid to get the sum of 2 million naira from her parents. The State Police PRO further disclosed that both suspects are in custody and the ransom money recovered. And we now move to the foreign scene. At least 19 people have been killed in Chad, where security forces prevented an attempt by armed fighters to storm the presidential complex in the capital, N'Djamena. Chad's foreign minister and government spokesman, Abderrahman Kulamala, stated on Wednesday that the situation is completely under control as the destabilization attempt was put down. The attack comes less than 2 weeks after Chad held a contested general election that was marked by low turnout and opposition allegations of fraud. At least 6 people have been crushed to death and dozens injured as a crowd surged at one of India's most visited Hindu religious sites at Tirupati town in the southern state of Andhra Pradesh. The incident occurred on Wednesday night as a huge crowd gathered to collect free entrance tokens to visit the town's Sri Venkateswara Swami temple. Deadly accidents are commonplace at India's places of worship during major religious festivals due to poor crowd management and safety lapses. And that's the news on the hour. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned.